The School of Ultimate Leadership Conclave is taking place at the Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. And DD India correspondent Dibyendu Mandal spoke to Sunil Bharati Mittal, who is the founder and chairman of Bharati Enterprises, on his views regarding the conclave.
What industry leaders like you could contribute towards creating or shaping the young minds in Seoul?
Look, at the outset, the very name, the acronym SOUL, School of Ultimate Leadership, suggests that this is going to be an institute where young minds will be shaped in public policy, in politics, people having positions in public life to in turn multiply the acceleration of the growth in a country. We heard our Honorable Prime Minister this morning talk about that vision, how a few hundred able leaders can then multiply many more and then create a momentum in the country. And I believe this is a brainchild of the Prime Minister, and I'm therefore very glad that I had the opportunity and the privilege to be a part of this whole process here on the first conclave. The young minds who are assembled here today will be listening to some of us when we share our life experiences. Most of us have built big enterprises. In the case of Airtel, as you know, it's not only just one of the largest companies in India, it's the second largest telecom company in the world. It's in Africa, it's in the UK now, it's in Bangladesh, it's in Sri Lanka. When the Prime Minister spoke about it today, have an Indian base, but a global mindset, solve India problems with a global viewpoint. And I think that's what our journey at Airtel has been, where we brought in the best technologies from the globe, added the local talent and technologies, and created India's one of the most admired telecom company, Airtel. So I'll be sharing those some of those leadership nuggets today here with the young minds, and I hope they land well, they are delivered well, and they can learn some lessons from our difficulties, our journeys that we've gone through. But equally, I'm here to also learn from others and hear also the young minds. They'll be speaking and asking questions and giving their comments. So it'll be a nice interactive session here today.
A lot of positivity here from Mr. Mittal. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to Doordarshan. This is Dibyendu Mandal from New Delhi with camera person Anand for DD India.